Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove an extra store from Shopify. If you've created multiple stores and no longer need one of them, this process will help you close it down properly and keep your account organized. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main Shopify dashboard where you can manage all your stores. Now that you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your current store name displayed. Click on that store name. This will reveal a drop-down menu showing all the stores associated with your account from this list. Click on the store that you want to remove. This ensures you're working with the correct store and not accidentally closing the wrong one. Once you've selected the store you wish to close, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Settings. This is where all your store's configuration options are located, and it's the gateway to managing your subscription and plan details. In the Settings area, you'll notice another menu on the left side. From these options, click on Plan. This section controls everything related to your store's subscription, billing, and plan status. It's the hub for making changes to how you're paying for Shopify or canceling your service entirely. Now you'll see options to manage your current plan. Depending on whether you're still in a trial period or have an active subscription, click on either Cancel Trial or Cancel Subscription. This starts the process of shutting down that particular store. Shopify wants to make sure you understand what you're doing, so it walks you through a few steps. Next, click on Cancel Plan to proceed. This confirms that you want to move forward with closing the store rather than just pausing or downgrading it. A screen will appear with important information about what happens when you close your store. You'll see a checkbox that says, "I've reviewed the information above." Go ahead and check that box, then click Continue. This step ensures you're aware of what data will be lost and what happens to any active subscriptions or domains linked to that store. Shopify will then ask you to select a reason why you want to close the store. Choose the option that best fits your situation, then select why you are no longer focusing on that store from the available choices. Once you've made your selections, click Continue. This feedback helps Shopify understand why users are leaving, but it won't stop the process. Finally, a confirmation screen will appear asking you to confirm one last time. Click Cancel Trial to finalize the closure. Your store will now be removed from your account, freeing up space and ensuring you're only managing the stores you actively use. And that's it, you've successfully removed the extra store from your Shopify account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.